Are you ready to unlock the full potential of ComfyUI? Whether you're just starting or looking to monetize your skill, this is your gateway to success. Yo, what's up? It's your one and only Stotimon. Welcome to this introductory video where I will be breaking down workflows that we will be diving into together. From creating stunning AI art to automating your daily tasks. Some workflows that are not only powerful, but that can be turned into some serious side hustles or even full-time income streams. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know exactly which workflows we are covering and how you can monetize each one. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. So I'm using ComfyUI through Pinocchio. If you'd like me to do a video on how to install it, let me know in the comments below. The reason I use Pinocchio is because it deals with all the requirements on its own, saving you the hassle and stress of wondering why things are not working. As you can see, this is basically the ultimate workflow. It is still kind of a work in progress. I do have a ton of workflows on this. We've got on the right side, these are all for the Kukuf quantized models, and on the left side these are all for the Flux 1 dev model. So we'll be going through each of these workflows, showing you how to use it and how you can actually monetize each one by turning it into a side gig or even a full-time income online. So we've got image generators, face swappers, video generators as well. Everything you will need to go from poor to profitable in this series. So those are the workflows that we will be exploring in detail, from AI art creation to social media automation and more. Each workflow is designed to save you time and make you money. In the upcoming videos of this series, Poor to Profitable, we'll be going step by step into each one. So up next, we're going to kick things off with the most exciting workflows using AI to create stunning art for print on demand. Imagine turning creativity into cash. Yeah, in this series, we're actually going to be doing that. If you're ready to start monetizing your workflows, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And if you want to dive deeper, check out the links in the description for exclusive resources and tools and a chance to work with me one-on-one. So let's get to work and make this happen.